Bitcoin continues to move through a highly volatile phase, reflecting global economic uncertainty and shifting investor sentiment. As of today, Bitcoin is trading near $87,000 to $88,000 after experiencing a dramatic drop from its October peak of $125,000. This correction has reshaped market expectations and forced both retail and institutional investors to reconsider their short-term strategies. Despite the recent decline, Bitcoin remains one of the strongest performing assets of the year. Analysts point out that the market is now stabilizing as long-term holders accumulate during the dips. However, the downside pressure is still visible. A large volume of leveraged long positions remains open, and any sudden downward move toward the $80,000 range could trigger significant liquidations. This could temporarily increase market volatility, even if the long-term trend stays strong. On the technical side, Bitcoin is currently attempting to build support around the $85,000 region. Traders are watching this level closely, as holding above it could signal the start of a slow recovery phase. If momentum strengthens, Bitcoin may attempt to reclaim the $90,000 mark in the coming days. But if selling pressure continues, analysts warn that a retest of $82,000 or even $80,000 remains possible. Fundamentals still favor Bitcoin over the long run. Global inflation concerns, rising government debt, and decreasing trust in fiat currencies continue to push investors toward decentralized assets. Meanwhile, institutional interest in Bitcoin remains consistent, especially with new approvals for large-scale crypto investment products and custody services. This institutional backing helps stabilize Bitcoin during volatile periods and increases long-term confidence. In summary, Bitcoin's current price movement reflects a classic consolidation phase after a strong rally. The market is experiencing short-term fear, but long-term conviction remains unchanged. Whether Bitcoin moves up or down in the next few days will depend on liquidity, investor sentiment, and how major holders respond to market pressure. For now, all eyes remain on the critical $85,000 support zone as Bitcoin decides its next direction.